Currie TJ44, let's break it down. Hey, Casey Currie, and today on Explained, we're gonna break down the Currie TJ44 Front. Starting with the center section is our Currie JK44 Front high pinion. This casting we specifically designed with additional material in the places where it's needed most. The bottom, the additional ribbing, the strength in the ribbing makes it so that the flex doesn't happen, making the gears not have any odd wear or making noise. Inside the 44 front, we use JK gears. Even though it's a TJ, we are using the JK gears. It's a stronger, bigger gear. The ratios we have are 456, 488, 513, and 538. For carriers, we have the Truetrac, air locker, and electric locker. To go with the carrier, for our axle shafts, we're running a 30 spline inner axle shaft, 4340 chromoly with a 1310 U-joint, and a 27 spline outer stub axle. This way you can run all your outer knuckles. We do not sell it with any of the outer assembly, this saving you money and allowing you to run your stock brakes and stock knuckles. For the dry shaft, we run a 1310 yoke. As far as the housing tube goes, we are running a 3-inch tube, 1/2-inch wall tubing. Much, much thicker than stock, making it a lot stronger. For brackets, we're using a 3/16 material, everything being laser bent and laser cut. We do use the stock OEM bushings, this making it serviceability wise where you don't have to grease anything. Now there are upgrades where you can put in a aftermarket joint. We have added caster on the inner C's, making it so it's better for a lifted Jeep. But as far as the bracket geometry, it is all stock. So any of your stock suspension or aftermarket suspension will bolt right on. The Currie forged inner C's are much larger than stock, making it a lot stronger and not having a problem with bending or breaking on the trail. To go with our heavy duty housing, we have our heavy duty cast iron cover. This thing is designed to smash into rocks without ever having deflection into the gear, as well as never having cracks, leaving you with the oil draining out of the front end. All of our housings come powder coated in a satin black, giving a great finish and great protection. This housing is the stock TJ width at 60.5 inches wide, wheel mount surface to wheel mount surface. If you're looking for something wider, we do make a JK TJ hybrid. What that is, it's a JK complete housing with TJ brackets. It is 5 inches wider, so you will get the additional width, but you will have to buy JK outer assemblies. That goes over the Currie TJ44 Front. If you got any questions, give us a call, write us an email, or send a comment below, and we'll get you handled.
If you like this video, subscribe here. For more Currie tech videos, click right here. And for other Currie content, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys.